Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with a very different type of video. I am kind of trying to branch out into something a little bit new because I have good news, exciting news. I am engaged. My fiance proposed back at the end of December, and so I'm going to try and incorporate some wedding planning type of videos, like wedding subscription box unboxings. So I wanted to kickstart this by sharing with you guys a wedding planner that I purchased when he first proposed, and actually long before then, because I'm such a planner, that's just my personality type. I was looking into different wedding planners, trying to find one that would be a good fit for what I wanted covered and that would help me keep things on track and not make me feel so stressed and disorganized, because again, I like to be very, very organized. So basically, I researched a ton, and the one that I ended up going with was from Erin Condren. So this is what the box looked like. It actually came like 2 weeks ago, I want to say, a week and a half ago. And I love my wedding planner. I think that it is great. I was able to customize it. It didn't cost anything extra to customize it. And I'm excited to show you that. But before I do that, I want to go ahead and show you the ring. This is what it looks like. It is an opal. That's what I asked for. And I love it. I think that it is absolutely beautiful. My nails look like garbage right now, so let's just not look at them. But yes, I am engaged and I'm very, very excited for this journey and for this process. But let's go ahead and get into the actual wedding planner. So inside the box was the wedding planner. It had tissue paper over it like this. I have been using it. I've done a lot with it already. But I did want to share with you what everything looks like, because I think that it could be helpful to someone. So basically, I bought the planner and then they sent me a bunch of like goodies and stuff with it, which was awesome. But this is what it looks like. I customized it, like I said. It just has a bunch of pictures of my fiance and I on it. And then the back is green because we're going for this dark green, forest green, emerald type of shade for our main color. And then I just have a pen like clipped on the side. But when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It's got this little vellum, and then you flip that over and it's the wedding planner, your names, your wedding date, and then it's got pages like this that have little quotes and stuff. And then like wedding details, not gonna share all that with you. And then it's got this calendar. So as you can see, I've kind of already started customizing my calendar, but I'm going to show you February because I don't have anything on it, just the stickers. So I wrote the months and the year up here. That was all me, but then they sent me these date stickers that I just added on to each date. And then each page has like a little notes section, and then the back of it has another notes page, which again, I'm not going to share that info with you. But yeah, I just went through and I wrote the months and the year. And I actually, you could select to do a 2-year calendar or a 1-year calendar. And I did the 2-year calendar because I'm not getting married this year, COVID, you know, stuff like that. So we're planning for next year, and this will get me through that date and then some. So that's what it looks like. I did purchase these little tabs that say the months because it did not have anything on it. It was just blank. And I only tabbed them for the first year because I wanted to show you guys what it looked like after that. So the first year is all tabbed, if you can see that. And then the second year I haven't tabbed yet or put the stickers on. So this is what it looks like before you put the month tabs. You do have to buy those separate. And then this is what it looks like without the date stickers. So I did get the date stickers for free, but I bought the tabs separate. So you've got 2 years worth of stuff, and then it takes you to this I do list section. And in this section, there's top 10 wedding tips, getting started, 14 to 9 months before, 8 to 6 months before, 6 to 4 months, 4 to 2 months, 1 month before, and then the week of. And then there's more information as far as like the wedding party. You write down all their info, writing your vows, guest list. There's a budget checklist, which I was also looking for. That was one of the important things for me. Picture this for the photographer, a music list, flowers, sweets for the sweet, so like desserts that you're planning on having. It's got cake sizes right here. Cheers, so if you're serving like alcohol, it tells you like how much you should get from each alcohol bottle. The wedding menu, notes from any tastings you go to, vendor contact list, and then like all the contacts that you need, like the photographer, the flowers, the venue, the tailor, anything like that. And then seating arrangement, if you're going to do seating arrangement, it's got that. Table numbers, you write the guest names, and then it's got a couple pages of that. But then it also has this page right here. Oh, I thought that it had another page. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's in the back. It's got a gift log. There's just so much in here. Gifts to give, stress-free spouse to be, wedding timeline, that's gonna come in handy. What else is in here? Thank you notes, honeymoon info, memories. You can add memories. There's lots of pages like this. And then in the back there's like note pages that looks like this. So what I did, and I haven't tabbed them yet, but what I did was I decorated the page and then I put wedding websites, so like wedding gown websites, bridal shower dresses, bridesmaids dresses, bridal jewelry. So I've got lots of pages like that. I've got websites for flowers, bridal accessories, invitations, bridal subscription boxes, suits and ties, rings, additional websites, photographers, and then all of this right here I actually added in. This is just ribbon that I hot glued to some paper clips, really easy. And then I wrote on them like what each tab was, because back here there's pages that look like this. It's just got little dots. So what I did was, let's see, which page can I show you? Let's show you my inspiration page. So this is my wedding inspiration page. I printed these stickers off from the Erin Condren website. Erin Condren website. And these are just pictures from Pinterest that I saved to my phone and then uploaded onto her website to create pictures. And so this is like my wedding inspiration page, and I've got a bunch of those. Like I've got cakes and flower arrangements and decorations. Here's my cakes inspo page. So just a lot of stuff like that. And then at the back I've got these swatches of fabric shades. And then I also have back here, there were stickers included. So there's like 3 or 4 pages of stickers. And then this is what the date dots look like. They're in rose gold. And then they sent some additional sticker pages. And then this is what the month tabs look like. So I wanted to show all of that to you. And then I also have, this is what it looks like. So it's just a paper clip, and then I hot glued a piece of ribbon, and then I just wrote with a fine tip Sharpie on it what I need. And then there's also like a ruler and this pocket that holds like stickers. It's double-sided, so it holds stickers on this side for me, and then it's got the tabs. So that is what my planner looks like. It has been a lifesaver. I've shared it with my soon-to-be mother-in-law and with my mom to just kind of like keep them in the loop as to what's going on. This is just trash that I had from the stickers, but this is what the sticker sheets look like. Obviously this one's empty because I took them all off, but there's this many stickers on the sheet, and then they also sent some gift tags and then this little flyer with a coupon code on it. So once again, that is just my planner. I kind of want to take my channel in the direction of not just doing beauty stuff, but also a lot more lifestyle, and that includes sharing like my wedding journey and my planners, and I do have some subscription boxes for brides that I'm going to be reviewing also. So I just wanted to share my good news, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.